ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰੀ ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ। ਜੈਸ ਟਿਊਟਰ ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਮੈਰੀਟੋਰੀਅਸ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ 11 ਜੂਨ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਮੈਰੀਟੋਰੀਅਸ ਦਾ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਹੈ। ਆਈ ਹੋਪ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਆਪਣੇ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਵੋਗੇ। ਇਸੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਤੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਡੇਲੀ ਲਾਈਵ ਕਲਾਸ ਵੀ ਲਈ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਮੈਰੀਟੋਰੀਅਸ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਦੀ ਤਿਆਰੀ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ਸ਼ਾਮ ਨੂੰ 7:30 ਵਜੇ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 8:30 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ। सो जिन्होंने स्टूडेंट ने भी मेरा चैनल अजे तक सबसक्राइब नहीं किया जल्दी सबसक्राइब कर लो ताकि जो आने वाली वीडियो उन्होंने तक जल्दी पहुंच जाए। सो ज़्यादा टाइम ना वेस्ट करते हुए फिर स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो। मैरिटोरियस एग्जाम साइंस। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जी अपने को, नेम द टाइप ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन गिवन बिलो। सो आंसर इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन। सेकंड, in the process of water electrolysis oxygen and dash gases are obtained hydrogen. Next, the above reaction is an example of displacement reaction. Next, a solution turns red litmus blue, its pH is likely to be 10. Next, a solution reacts with crushed egg shells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains. Next, which one of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? Antacid. Next, which of the following pairs will give displacement reaction? Option number D. Next, food cans are coated with tin and not with zinc because zinc is more reactive than tin. Next, ethane with the molecule formula C2H6 has 7 covalent bonds. Next, name the molecule whose electron dot structure is shown in the figure. Methane. Next, electronic configuration of an element is 287. The atomic number of this element is 17. Next, in the modern periodic table, which are the matter among the first 10 element? Option number C, lithium and beryllium. Next, label the part A in the given figure of human excretory system. Left ureter. Next, axillum tissue is an important plant tissue. In a plant, the axillum is responsible for transport of water. Next, in female reproductive system, what is the name of part A in the given figure? Ovary. Next, which of the following is not a part of the female reproductive system in human being? Option number C. Next, no matter how far you stand from a mirror, your image appears erect. The mirror is likely to be, option number D, either plane or convex. Next, where sound an object be placed in front of concave mirror so that the image formed is virtual and erect? Option number B, between F and P. F means focus, P means pole. Next, where an object should be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the same size of the object? Option number B, at twice the focal length. Next, the human eye forms the image of an object at its retina. Next, the change in focal length of an eye lens is caused by the action of the ciliary muscles. Next, which of the following terms does not represent electrical power in a circuit? I R square. Next, at the time of short circuit, the current in the circuit increases heavily. Next, the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is, option number C, producing induced current in a coil due to relative motion between a magnet and the coil. Next, which of the following is a non-biodegradable substance? Plastic. Next, what is the full form of a DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. Next, the device used for producing electric current is called a generator. Next, the dash molecule contain information for inheritance of futures from parents to the next generation, DNA. Next, which of the following constitute a food chain? Grass, goat and human. Next, What is SI unit of electric resistance? Ampere. Next, which one of the following materials cannot be used to make a lens? Clay. Next, a spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have each a focal length of -15 centimeter. The mirror and the lens are likely to be both concave. Next, the focal length of a convex lens is positive. Next, name the molecule whose electron point structure is shown in the figure. Methane. Next, find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter -0.5 D. Next, when magnesium ribbon is burned in the air, a white substance is obtained. What is its name? Magnesium oxide. Next, specify the type of action. Combination reaction. Next, what happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron fillings? Hydrogen gas and iron chloride are produced. Next, the kidney in human beings are a part of the system for excretion. Next, the autotrophic mode of nutrition requires all of the above. Next, X 10 milliliter of a solution of NaOH. Answer is 8 milliliter. Next, an element reacts with oxygen to give a compound. Answer is calcium. Next, while cooking, if the bottom of the vessel is getting blackened on the outside, it means the food is not cooked completely. Next, which of the following statement is not correct? The atoms lose their electrons more easily. Next, element X form a chloride with the formula XCl2, which is a solid with a high melting point. X would most likely be in the same group of the periodic table as magnesium Mg. Next, the kidney in human beings are a part of the system for excretion. Next, the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy takes place in mitochondria. Next, a sexual reproduction takes place through budding in yeast. Next, which of the following is not a part of the female reproductive system in human being? Vas deferens. Next, a Mendelian experiment consisted of a breeding tall. Option number C. Next, what is the unit of current? Ampere. Next, relationship V is equal to IR. Describe which rule? Ohm's law. Next, which of the following lenses would you prefer to use while reading small letter found in a dictionary? A convex lens of focal length 5 cm. Next, the human eye can focus object at different distance by adjusting the focal length of the eye lens. This is due to accommodation. Next, a piece of wire of resistance R is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are then connected in parallel. If the equivalent resistance of this combination is R, then the ratio R upon R is 1.25. Next, choose the correct option. Is the same at all points. Next, which of the following correctly describe the magnetic field near a long straight wire? Option number D. The field consists of concentric circles centered on the wire. Next, the phenomenon of electromagnetic induction is? Option number C. Next, the direction of magnetic field produced on passing electric current in a conductor is determined by? Option number B. Next, which of the following are environment friendly practices? All of the above. Next, give an example of a metal that is liquid at a room temperature. It's mercury. Next, give an example of a metal that is the best conductor of heat. Silver. Next question अपने को the chemical reaction given below represent ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ chemical reaction है ਇਹ किस ਨੂੰ represent करती है? So answer होएगा is the double displacement reaction. Option number D. Next, the chemical reaction in which heat energy is given out is called? So answer होएगा जी is the option number C. Exothermic reaction. Next, during electrolysis, hydrogen and oxygen are produced in the ratio by volume. So answer is होएगा is the 2:1. Next, the chemical formula of rust is, answer is option number C. Next, which is an example of decomposition reaction? Decomposition reaction the example केड़ी है? Answer is option number B. Next, iron displaces which of the following metals from its salt solution? So answer is option number C, Cu. Next, in chips packets, oxygen is removed and this gas is filled. So answer is option number D, nitrogen. Next, a equation जड़ी है, the above equation is a. Answer is option number C, displacement reaction. Next, what is the color of powder obtained after the combustion of magnesium ribbon? Answer is option number C, white. Next, presence of which gas is necessary for combustion of magnesium ribbon? Answer is option number D, O2. Next, in a chemical equation, the reactants separated by add sign are placed on which side of arrow sign? So option number is B, left. Next, according to law of conservation of mass, what is neither created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction? Answer is option number C, mass. Next, in a chemical equation, when number of atoms of elements on both sides of the arrow are equal, what is this equation called? Answer is option number D, balanced equation. Next, while balancing a chemical equation, which atom of a compound is balanced first for convenience? So answer is option number B, which are maximum. Next, what breaks and forms in a chemical reaction to produce new substances? Answer is option number A, mutual bonds. Next, chemical formula of marble is, marble the chemical formula की है option number C, CaCO3. Next, what is the special name of this reaction? इस reaction का special name की है option number C, respiration. Next, what type of reaction is during change of calcium carbonate into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide? So answer is option number B, dissociation. Next, what type of reaction is 2AgCl? So right answer is option number A, endothermic. Next, following reaction is, answer is option number 1 and 3, option number C, combination, displacement reaction and redox reaction. Next, which one is double displacement reaction? Double displacement reaction केड़ी है? Option number B, only 2. Next, which of the gases are used for the long time storage of oil? Answer is option number D, HEN2. Next, which statement is correct related to the following reaction? So answer is option number 1, 2 and 4. Option number C, oxidation of iron, water is being reduced and water works as oxidizing agent. Next, the reaction of acid and base result in salt and water formation. The reaction is called option number A, neutralization. Next, what is used for plastering fractured bones? Option number C, plaster of Paris. Next, which of the following is not a base? Option number D, C2H5OH. Next, toothpaste used for cleaning teeth is, option number C, basic. Next, methanoic acid is present in, option number A, ant sting. Next, which substance is found in tooth enamel? Option number D, calcium phosphate. Next, chemical name of slacked lime is, option number B, calcium hydroxide. Next, how many molecules of water of crystallization are found in plaster of Paris? So option number D, 1/2, इसमें उसी half भी कह देते हैं. Next, which acid is produced in our stomach? So option number C, hydrochloric acid. Next है अपने को lactic acid is found, option number D, in curd. Next, citric acid is found, option number D, in orange. Next, which one of the following types of medicine is used for treating indigestion? So answer is option number C, antacid. Next, neutral solution has pH, Answer is option number A 7. Next, pH of an acidic solution is, so answer is option number B, greater than 7. Next, common name of Na2CO3 10H2O is, option number D, washing soda is the right answer. Next, tartaric acid is found, option number C, in tamarind. Next, what is the pH of a solution which turns red litmus blue? Option number C, 10. Next, which water solution is used for whitewashing? Option number C, CaOH2. Next, a solution showed pH 9. This solution is, option number D, weakly alkaline. Next, a solution turns blue litmus red. Its pH may be, option number B 4. Next, what happens when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to iron powder? So option number is A, hydrogen gases and iron chloride are formed. Next, acetic acid is found in, answer is option number D, vinegar. Next, the property due to which metals can be beaten into sheet is, so right answer is option number A, malleability. Next, which metal is highly reactive? Answer is option number D, K. Next, the name of reaction is, answer is option number B, thermit. Next, layer of which metal is deposited during galvanization? Answer is option number C, zinc. Next, if mercury is mixed in a metal, then the alloy is called, so option number A, amalgam. Next, which is not ionic compound? Right answer is option number B, second and third, HCl and CCl4. Next, which metal is found in a liquid state? So right answer is option number D, Hg, mercury. Next, which non-metal has luster? Answer is option number D, iodine. Next, if copper is left open in air, a green layer is formed in it because, answer is option number B, CuCO3. Next, which non-metal is found in liquid state? So answer is option number B, bromine. Next, which of the following element is present in the maximum amount in Earth's crust? So right answer is option number A, oxygen. Next, non-metal oxides are, option number A, acidic. Next, sulfide ores are enriched by, option number B, froth flotation. Option number B. Next, a metal which is the best conductor of electricity. Right answer is option number A, silver. Next, the reaction of acetic acid with alcohol is called, so right answer is option number D, esterification. Next, what percentage solution of acetic acid is called vinegar? So right answer is option number A, 5% to 8%. Next, the functional group in carboxylic acid is, right answer is option number C, COOH. Next, the formula of ethanoic acid is, right answer is option number D, C2H5COOH. Next, the impurities present in an ore are called, right answer is option number C, gangue. Next, cinnabar is an ore of which metal? Right answer is option number D, mercury. Next, which gas is found when red hot iron reacts with steam? So right answer is option number C, H2. Next, the formula of rust is, right answer is option number D, Fe2O3XH2O. Next, brass is an alloy of, right answer is option number C, Cu and Zn. Next, which shell is the outermost shell for element of period? Right answer is option number B, L shell. Next, of the following elements, which one would lose electron easily? So right answer is option number C, K. Next, what is the atomic radius of hydrogen? So right answer is option number D, 37 pm. Next, what are horizontal rows known as in Mendeleev's periodic table? So right answer is option number A, period. Next, how the atomic size is affected by going down in a group? So right answer is option number C, increases. Next, what is the atomic weight of sodium? Right answer is option number C, 14.0. Next, for which elements Newland's law of octaves got valid property? So right answer is option number C, light. Next, of the following, which shell is the largest cell? Next, right answer is option number D, N. Next, which element is followed by iron in modern periodic table? So right answer is option number C, CO. Next, in which group noble gases are placed in modern periodic table? So right answer is option number C, 18th. Next, how many horizontal rows periods are there in modern periodic table? Right answer is option number C, 7. Next, how many vertical columns group are there in modern periodic table? Option number D, 18. Next, which is very reactive non-metal in third period? So right answer is option number C, Cl. Next, which is the least metallic element? Option number D, Li. Next, what is the atomic radius of NaCl? So right answer is option number C, 201. Next, how many elements were known by the time of Mendeleev? So right answer is option number A, 63. Next, in how many subgroups did Mendeleev divide each group? So right answer is option number A, 2. Next, Newland's octave law was similar to which law? So right answer is option number B, music. Next, who prepared modern periodic table? किसने बनाया modern periodic table? Next, elements of which groups are known as noble gases? So right answer is option number D, 18. Next, examples of metalloid are. So right answer is option number A, boron, antimony, polonium. Next, is an isolated atom. What is the distance between the center to outermost shell? So right answer is option number A, atomic radius. Next, from which element to which element does chemical decrease in halogens? So right answer is option number C, fluorine to iodine. Next, which is the most reactive? Right answer is option number C, K. Next, of the following, which electronic configuration is metallic? Right answer is option number B, 281. Next, which of the following is a semi-metal? So right answer is option number A, magnesium. Next, on moving from left to right in a period in the periodic table, the character of an element. So right answer is option number B, decreases. Next, which group of elements was discovered after Mendeleev's? So right answer is option number B, insert gases. Next, what is the Mendeleev formula for oxides of element of groove? So right answer is option number C, RO2. Next, maximum number of electrons in L shell. So right answer is option number C, 8. Next student, मैं ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਿਹੜੇ क्वेश्चन ਦਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਾਰਟ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਰੀਡ ਕਰ ਲਿਓ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵ ਟਾਈਪ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਆ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਚੰਗੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਰੀਡ ਕਰ ਲਿਓ।